In probably the best news you can hear coming to the end of the Supercross season, that guy right there, Eli Tomac, is in for the 2024 Motocross and the full SMX series, which is awesome to hear. Saying, quote, "We can officially announce that we're in for the full SMX season. It really came down to wanting to continue what we have going on. I've been feeling great on the motorcycle. We're getting into a groove, and I feel we're going to be really strong in Pro Motocross and for the SMX series. I'm excited to keep racing." And we can all ditto that because obviously he's getting older. There was some rumors going around that he might just go race some GPs, or you never know. I think as far as I remember, correct me if I'm wrong on this. He had a Supercross only contract with this is like a or Supercross only with a condition if he wanted to or the team wanted to, whatever it is, to do outdoors. And it's awesome to see that he decided to do it. I mean, obviously he hasn't been super like competitive. I mean, he's been competitive, but he's not really fighting for the cup right now. He's third with 41 points down. So like, great showing for him coming back from that injury to being third against behind Cooper and Jet, but behind ahead of Chase, Anderson, Roxon, Plessinger, Cooper, Barsha, Lauren, like third is a pretty good showing right now, especially the season after the injury he had. And I'm excited. Obviously, I like motocross a lot as a viewer. I think motocross is a much I don't want to say more fun, but like it's definitely a different vibe when you go. You're that much closer to the track. It's kind of a more fan centric thing. I don't know how you want to call it. And to see the big names racing, obviously with the news that, or rumors, whatever you want to call them, that World Supercross might be dead. You might see some more guys opt into this. I don't know about that. Again, who knows? But I'm just excited to see Eli Tomac race. Um, with the third as he is right now, if everything stays, he's going to be really good position for the SMX title. Depending on how it goes outdoors, you might see some actual competition between him and Jet. Eli always does good outdoors. He's got that stamina, the long race pace, and it's just going to be good. You never want to see him just hanging up, and this may be closer to the end of the year. You know what I mean? But or end of his career. Let's put it that way. I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you excited to see it? Are you going to any motocross ones? Are you going to multiple ones? If so, which? I'll be at Southwick as always because I love Southwick and well, it's the only track close to me. So it's. But I'm just excited. I mean, this is great news that he's putting in for it. He's going to put the full year down, and hopefully this isn't the last one. Knock on wood. But it's going to be a cool thing to see him do it. And like I said, comment down below. Tell me if you're going to any races. Have you been to any Supercross races? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.